Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. University department staff members want to track communication efforts and attendance for the annual commencement ceremony. They need to report on the engagement results of different types of communication methods: email, printed invitations, and so forth. Which of these features should the consultant recommend? Option A. Salesforce Inbox. Option B. Campaigns. Option C. Experience Cloud Audiences. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Campaigns. Question 2. A college plans to implement Student Success Hub and wants to configure pathways to support students in their academic journey. What should be considered when implementing pathways? Option A. Pathways uses program plan and plan requirement records. Option B. There is a limit to the number of plan requirement records. Option C. There are only 2 levels of program plan requirements in pathways. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Pathways uses program plan and plan requirement records. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.